Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I am pretty sure I know what this is. Because they had to change carriers, there's a label that covers up the old one. I can't pull it off without seeing what was underneath. So I don't quite know exactly where this came from, but I have my guesses. Thanks so much to whoever sent it. I think by this time it is actually available, so I will link a couple of places that you can pick these up. I believe Tools for Gents and DLT will be linked down below, so you guys can check those out. Check this knife out, whatever it is, if you want to. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. I have to come in kind of awkwardly from the back here because the front's got all the shipping information all over it. So we're just going to make a couple of weird cuts here real quick. And then hopefully we'll be inside. Oh, no. It was not at all what I thought it was going to be. So never mind. Definitely not going to be DLT and Tools for Gents. That just was not accurate at all. Okay, well, in any case, though, there will be links for these in the description, whatever they are. So first up, we have something, well, all of these are from Bestech, but one Bestechman. We have their Axis lock. I think I actually received this knife once in the Going Gear. The names for all of these will be in the description. This is just an unboxing and first impression, guys, not a review. I don't have the info for these knives. This is not a prepared review or anything like that. This is just my usual unboxing. So I believe I picked one of these up and actually gave one of these away during my unboxing of the Going Gear EDC Club. If I remember correctly, it had a different pocket clip, though, so maybe that's a little different. Honestly, it looks pretty good. Bestech does a good crossbar lock. This is contoured micarta with nested steel liners and a tumbled sheep's footy cleavery D2 blade, right? Whatever you want to call that. Nice. Seen it before. Next up, what do we have here? Oh, now, okay, now this, maybe this is a little bit different. No, you know what? I think I've also checked this out before at some point, too. Very familiar. G10, Frag G10, we have the button lock, and we have this little lifter thing here. Now, of course, because it is a button lock, there's literally no stick, and there's also almost no detent. That's a very long, sort of crunchy transition button lock detent. Cool looking knife, very odd. I want to say, yeah, that's the designer there. So, hold on. I am going to test this button lock here real quick, because we had a Bestech button lock fail once on camera. Nope, we're good. Okay, that one's good to go. And if it survives that level of force, then it's probably okay. So these two I've seen. So what do we have here? We have yet another Good Boy. Okay, so every one of these has failed on this channel, and I say everyone. It's been the past two, right? One of them failed during the unboxing, and another one failed during a live stream after I had unboxed it. After they had said we fixed it, we'll send you a new one. So now we've got this one, and I do remember now having a conversation saying we're gonna look into this problem and we're gonna fix it. Okay, moment of truth. No. Bestech. This knife doesn't work. I am uninterested in reviewing this knife. That's three strikes for the Good Boy. I don't know what's going on with this. I don't know why this one works and this one doesn't, but the Good Boy does not work. I don't know what is different about this or what, but I mean, I also don't know what you're changing. I can't. I'm not going to review this knife. I'm uninterested from this point forward. Your crossbar locks seem to work okay. I'm going to give this other one another try too, because I wonder, I mean, it's very odd that one knife would have all of those problems and no other button locks would. This one is legitimately fine. Bestech, whatever you're doing with this one, apply it to this one. Your crossbar lock should also be fine. Normally, I don't need to test a crossbar lock, right? They're usually trying to open it with a normal amount of spice. It's fine. Bestech's, you know, not known for lock failures. And, you know, their issues have almost, in my experience, it's just been like isolated to this Good Boy model. Three of these. They're all of them. I mean, you can go back and watch. I'm applying the same amount of force to all of them. I don't know what the deal is with the Good Boy, and it's too bad because honestly, it's a really good looking model. I mean, the blade profile is good, the handle profile is good, all of this is good, but there's something wrong with the geometry. You can't keep machining the parts exactly the same way over and over again and expecting something different to happen. Just like the same reason I can't keep accepting the same knife for review and continue to make content out of it, right, in the form of unboxing videos and expecting something else to happen. This channel is going to move on from this model. I wanted to give it a chance. I wanted to believe, you know, hey, things can be a little bit different here. But I can't keep, you know, I can't keep doing the same thing, right? If we could get one, you know, within these 3 tries that wasn't going to fail, then I would give it a shot. But at this point, I don't have much faith in the manufacturing process, whatever we're doing with this model. Again, I have to be clear what I mean there. It's just this model. I don't think I've had a problem with it. It's kind of like, you know, the Vosteed Thunderbird. Vosteed has done a great job with their other models. I had an issue with their Raccoon too, but those were button locks. Same with the Vosteed Thunderbird. All their other stuff, including mainly their crossbar stuff, has been great. Bestech's really their problem model, as far as this channel's it's just this Good Boy. I don't know what the deal is, but I can't. I can't, and I gotta upload this. People need to know that I have received 3 different Good Boys from Bestech, each one with the claim of, hey, it's gonna be better this time. Hey, it's gonna be better this time. Right? Now, where did this come from? It was DHL, so it definitely, I'm going to guess that this came directly from them, right? So, don't buy this. Don't buy the Good Boy. It's too bad that, like, the designer had to put his name on this, and because this is a cool design, and this one works, right? It's the same designer, this one works, but it's Bestech's manufacturing failure that caused the issue here. So, if you're looking at Bestech, look at pretty much anything else. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. There's no reason. I mean, actually, I don't know that I've reviewed this one, but you might get reviews of these 2 down the road. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.